In this video, I'll show you how to set up Cloudflare for a website. Start by signing into your Cloudflare account and clicking Add a Site. Enter your website's domain name and choose a Cloudflare plan. The free plan is a great option for most websites. Next, Cloudflare will automatically scan your existing DNS records. Review the records carefully to make sure your website and email records are correct. If anything is missing, add it before continuing. After that, Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers. Copy these name server addresses, then log into your domain registrar and replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Now save your changes and return to Cloudflare. Click Continue and wait for Cloudflare to verify your domain. DNS propagation can take several minutes or, in some cases, up to 24 hours. Once your domain becomes active, open the SSL/TLS section and choose the appropriate SSL mode for your website. Then review your security, caching, and performance settings to optimize your site's speed and protection. Next, verify that your DNS records are pointing to the correct hosting provider and that your website loads properly through Cloudflare. Finally, visit your website in a browser and confirm that everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Cloudflare for a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.